Ursa-Chemie operates 2 factory sites in Monobor. For quality control purposes, samples must be transported regularly between the 2 locations. Transport by car is time-consuming, inefficient, and not future-oriented. Ursa-Chemie has revolutionized sample transport between its 2 factory sites with Droniq and Deutsche Telekom IoT. Instead of driving several times a day, a drone now takes care of this task. The drone flies along a predetermined route and transports samples safely and efficiently. An integrated 5G mobile communications module from Telecom will enable autonomous drone flights, visibility in the air situation picture, and the transmission of real-time data in the future. The result? Time savings, reduced workload for employees, and new opportunities such as drone-based factory monitoring. Together with Deutsche Telekom IoT and Droniq, Ursa-Chemie has optimized processes and positioned itself as an innovation leader. This sets new standards for innovation and efficiency in the chemical industry,